Hello guys and welcome to another TensorFlow tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to install TensorFlow in Anaconda. Without further ado, you just first need to go to anaconda.com. You can search it up in Google, it should be the first link. Then you click this download button. Once it's downloaded, you run the installer, which is that. It's just pretty simple. I would recommend going all users require if you have admin privileges, makes it just easier. Okay, then next. Wait for this to finish up. It's gonna take a while, so I'll pause the video here and then I'll continue once it's done. Cool, so it seems like it's done. Just click next, next. Okay, cool. So once it's done installing, you can open up the Anaconda prompt. Anaconda. What we're going to do now is we're going to make our own virtual environment for our TensorFlow. So to make the virtual environment, we're going to have to do conda create -n, and then we give it a name, or you can go that dash name rather, tf, and then we have to specify the Python version, which is we're going to use 9. Don't care about. After that, we just hit enter. Environment, cool. After that's done, so while that's going along, we're going to actually be following this website. I'll link it in the description of this video. And we're going to be, obviously, we're on Windows native. So this is what the commands that we're going to have to use to install TensorFlow. So yeah, I didn't explain this part too well. So yeah, starting with 2.11 for TensorFlow, they're not going to support GPUs on Windows native. You're going to have to get TensorFlow in WSL2. So yeah, we'll have to install TensorFlow 2.10 instead of 2.11. But yeah, anyway, so the first line in this in the commands that we're supposed to use, the conda install one, that's for GPUs. If you don't have a GPU, you do not have to run that line. You just need to run the pip install TensorFlow, and then you should be fine. You could even install like TensorFlow 2.11 because I think that should still be supported. So now we need to see it says base over here. That means we're not in the TensorFlow environment yet, so we need to actually do conda activate tf to get into that environment. Of that, we just follow these commands. So let's gonna install this. This might take a while, so I'll just get back to you guys when it's done. Alright, cool. So it seems to have just asking me to just have to click like it's almost done. Okay, cool, that's done. After that, we have to do the next command, which is have to actually copy paste the pip python-m, but matter install same outcome. Yep, you can see it's installing TensorFlow 2.10.1. This way. Alright, cool. So it seems like it is done. So after that, okay, yeah, so I forgot to add that you need to install pandas actually. So you need to go back to your or your Anaconda prompt, and then you just need to type in pip install pandas after everything, and then that should be fine. Make sure that it's obviously already satisfied for me because I just installed it, but make sure that you are in the TensorFlow environment and not the base one. But yep, cool. Just guys how to actually configure PyCharm. Okay, so you guys have your project. Yeah, I wanna actually you can just go that. You wanna go down to project. After that, add local, and then you want to hit Anaconda, try and detect it, and all your environments should come up here, so you can just click TensorFlow. If not, then you're gonna have to like search for this conda executable, kind of installed it, and the kind of that, and then it should be able to find that. That should be it. Need. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful, and please like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.